carpet cleaner, you want to get more commercial carpet cleaning jobs. Why? Well, it's consistent business, and a lot of times the tickets are a lot higher than if you're working with residential tickets. So, commercial business is a great way to grow your carpet cleaning company. And today I'm going to share with you some tips on how to get more carpet cleaning jobs. Let's get into it. So, the first thing I want to do is show you my process. All right. So one amazing way to get commercial carpet cleaning jobs or any kind of cleaning jobs is to set them up on a drip nurture campaign. What is a drip nurture campaign? Well, it is a way for you to consistently nurture these relationships on an automated fashion with these commercial clients. So let's say you get a commercial lead, someone that's interested in potentially having you go out and clean their building, whether it's a bank or an office or whatever it is. Okay, you want to get the manager's information, and then you put them in a long-term nurture campaign. And one of the best ways to do that is this right here. So you put all your leads up here in the top. And another great way to do this is just get lists of commercial businesses. Find their email addresses and put them in this list right here in this drip campaign. So you put them all here in the top. All right. And then you send an introductory email. All right. You wait a week. You send them a testimonial email. You wait a week. You send them before and after pictures. You wait a week. You send them promotions. You wait a week. You send them, all these different offers, and you keep yourself front of mind on this customer. All right, for these decision makers. And this is one of the most amazing ways, because you load this thing up with a bunch of different commercial clients, a bunch of different commercial email addresses, and you set this thing off to go, and you'll see it happen. You'll see people starting to reach out to you. They'll be calling you. They're saying, hey, I've been following your emails for the past few months, and listen, we need somebody to clean our carpets. Our regular guy just bailed on us. He wasn't able to make it. We have an emergency. We need somebody, and that's why I'm calling you. That's how you stay front of mind, is by keeping yourself in the eye of the decision maker. And one of the best ways to do that is on an automated fashion, so you never forget to send emails. So you set this up. You spend one day making 10 emails. It takes you a couple of hours. Okay. And then eventually, look at all these emails. It just keeps going down. And eventually, hey, you're going to be the one that they call when they need something. All right. That's one way. The other really important way is you have to get out there and get yourself in front of these different businesses. Okay, you have to go out door to door. You have to go meet these people, grab their business cards. Don't just go in there and then try to speak to the manager that one day. You can do that. You should do that. Let me rephrase it. You should go out there and try to speak to the manager on that first day. However, so many times the manager's not there, and then if you just leave and you don't follow up, well, then you give up that opportunity. So get the manager's card, take that back here, and store it in a database like this. Okay. The next thing you can do is you put them all into a workflow or in a pipeline. And what that looks like is this right here. So let's say you start to keep track of all these different commercial clients. All right. And one of the best things to do is make sure that you are responding to every single lead. And as every single lead responds to you, you can keep track of the different actions and communications that happen with each one of your clients. And so you can use a spreadsheet, you can use a pen and paper, but when you have a process like this where you can actually classify the different leads. Oh, I'm not sharing my screen. Let me share my screen. Here we go. So when you have a process like this where you can actually classify the leads from new leads to responded to hot leads, confirmed booking, all this different kind of stuff, this is really going to help you make sure that no lead falls through the cracks. And that is how you can close more commercial jobs. Hey, listen, if you found this useful, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be showing you so much more useful content on how to grow and scale your carpet cleaning business. Until next time.